Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys I made this delicious fried fish pie. It is so crunchy and delicious, and you do not want to miss on how I made this. These are all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Do not forget to check the description box. I'll be listing everything there, the measurements and the ingredients. Yes, this is a perfect snack for every occasion. And you can eat this fried fish pie at any time. It is good for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, whichever way you want to have it, believe me. And it's unresistible. So watch till the end to see how I made this. It is very easy to make. Anyone can make this. Just follow my recipe and you will get how I made this. Yes. And if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Julia. You are welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. I always appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming back. Do not forget to share this video to your loved ones and friends. Someone else might want to try this recipe out. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Do help a girl to grow. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share. Thank you. Okay, let's keep on making this. And I've just combined everything to the flour, and you can use any flour of your choice. All-purpose flour and bread flour will go too, yes, I think. But in this recipe, I'm using all-purpose flour. And I'm going to be adding water bit by bit. You do not want to have a running dough. So mind how you add water. It's just going to be bit by bit that I'm going to add my water. And I'm going to mix very well until I get to this consistency of the dough. And we are going to be bringing it out on the workboard and try to knead it out properly so that all the ingredients will be very well incorporated into it. Now that everything is very well combined, I'm going to be allowing it to rest for just 10 minutes. Yes, you need just 10 minutes to allow the dough to rest before we start working with it. And on the pan, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil because I'm going to be frying my fish now. I did use mackerel fish. You can use sardine fish if you want. And if you are using sardine fish, you don't need to put some oil on the pan. You just use the oil from the sardine fish. I did use mackerel fish, which I've cooked and deboned. And here I'm just adding a little bit of tomato paste. And I'm going to be adding onion too and allow it to fry for not long, for just some minutes. And after that, I'm going to be adding the fish and allow everything to fry in properly well. Like I said, you can use sardine fish. And you still have to do this method of frying it again in the oil with some onion and tomato paste. If you want the tomato paste in it, that is totally optional, but I love the taste it gives it. And here I just added my spices and yeah, I did not add salt again. I just added spices and curry powder. I did not add salt because the fish already contains salt. And here is the fish. It has been cooked and deboned. So I'm just going to be adding it to the pan while I fry everything together. So yeah, my dough has rested for 10 minutes. I'm just going to be portioning it out. You can portion it out whichever way you want. Just watch how I did mine. You can use this method too. Yes, I think it's very easy with this method. It's nothing spectacular. It's just me doing my stuff in the kitchen. Like I always say, I'm not a professional. So just watch what I'm doing and make yours the same way. And I do hope you'll be trying this out. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this out and if it was easy for you to make. And yes, here's the fried fish. Yeah, as you can see, it was very well fried and it smells already delicious, even if we've not finished baking. So yeah, I'm just going to be rolling out the dough to the shape in which I want it. I'm going to be making a shape like a meat pie because it's a fish pie, but it is fried, not baked. So yes, I'm just going to be rolling out the shape I want and put the fish in the middle and close it up. Just keep on watching to see how I made this. Now it's time for us to fry our fried fish pie, and I'm just going to be adding some vegetable oils to the cooking pan. And yes, you do not want the oil to be too hot because if it's too hot, it will not be well cooked on the inside. And if it's too cold, the fish pie, they will be too soggy, it will be too soaked with oil. And if you think, oh, I don't want it fried, you can as well bake it. I will have a link on the description box of a baked fish pie. There you can check that one out and make that if you think, oh, you do not want to fry it. And if you want this version too, you can as well make it too. All you do is just put it in the oven and allow it to bake instead of frying it. I can tell you at this moment, my kitchen smells so delicious. Yes, and the kids were home. They already ran to the kitchen and like, oh, is it already done? Is it already done? Yes, and these are the first one I took out. You can see they look so golden brown and they were very delicious. So this is our finished fish pie, fried fish pie, and they look really delicious and it tasted delicious and crunchy. I hope you'll be trying out this recipe. If you did try it out, let me know in the description box. And if you have any questions, do ask and I'll be replying it. I want to thank you all for watching and I hope you'll be sharing this video out for me to help me grow. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not. Thank you for watching and bye bye.